This wonderful wintry day. We came to this farm to pick up horse manure. I am. Today I'm picking up horse manure. There's the pile with the doggy. Hey, what about you? What about you? You want attention? Mm-hmm. It's a nice pile. Nice and fresh. There are the buckets. And there's Fluffy eating something. And look at that rooster. You don't want to piss off that guy. And here I am back at the homestead in Walden. The buckets are ready to be unloaded. Yes. So the distribution will go like this. The most recent pile will receive 2 buckets. The older piles, 1 bucket each. I uncovered the mulch. Here's the 3rd, 4th, and 5th bucket. You see, that used to be all the way to the top, and it reduced about 50%. So did this one. But this one has just a tarp on it, whereas those 2 have the plastic cover on them. And we can hear the neighbor's dog. So I'm going to start mixing in the manure. All right, talk to you later. And here we are. I mixed the piles, the 4 piles. I covered them, and we're ready for the snow. Today is January 19, 2019, and we're expecting lots of snow and ice. Today is Saturday. It's going to start tonight, continue through Sunday, and then it's going to be ice. So what do we have here? Here we're going to have, this is getting ready for next year, for the 2019 spring, for asparagus. This is going to be just asparagus. The bed in the rear is shallots and a little bit of garlic. The bed in the front is just garlic. And here we have our infamous or famous potato tower. I added a few leaves from a neighbor's yard that I got, and we're ready for that. And this bed is going to have determinant potatoes. They're going to be some early variety that I'm going to plant sometime in April, May. Also, what do we have here? Right here, I'm going to set up my my greenhouse. It's going to be about 16 feet by 7 feet, and it's going to be about 6 to 7 feet tall. So we'll see how that's gonna go. A couple of nights ago it snowed a little bit. It was only just a little bit. And there's the site where the pin oak used to be. All right, gotta go in and start getting ready for lunch. Oh, that's right, I have to put away the buckets.